Sorry, boss. Hi-ho, Kermit Frog here, and welcome to Muppet Vision 3D. Here in this modern high-tech facility. Hey, be careful. Here in this modern high-tech facility, we have perfected Muppet Vision 3D, a new film process which we're about to demonstrate. Now, working the projector is an old friend of ours, the Swedish chef. Chef, everything okay? And our demonstration includes a little song from Miss Piggy. I meant to say it's a huge, show-stopping, major song from Miss Piggy.
That's more like it.
Good. And we've also got a big musical finale from Sam Eagle. Sam, what's it about?
It's cartoons to all nations, but mostly America.
3D tricks.
You say 3D
Tricks?
and here's something I wanted to spray on you.
Homer, it's that dumb bear again. Hey, bear!
You're not even funny in 3D.
Oh, not you guys. How did you get here?
We were the contest. Yeah, we lost.
3DX gonna shower you all with waka waka.
Okay, and now, if you'll come this way, I can show you our secret laboratory. You see, we invited distinguished scientists from all over the world to come and work here. Unfortunately,
None of them showed up.
Instead, I'd like to introduce you to the guys who invented Muppet Vision, and they can show you some of their... Right now, I'd like to turn you over to Dr. Bunsen Honeydew and his assistant, Peter.
Inventions we've been working on for Muppet Vision. Beaker, would you turn on the machine?
Come on.
We at Muppet Labs have been able to grab hold to the future. The wheels of progress turn swiftly here as we strike upon ways to bring science safely to you. This user-friendly machine will now generate the first living 3D effect just by flicking a simple switch.
The spirit of 3D.
Out there! Watch this! Don't you just dare to You know, all these other people think I'm talking to them, but I'm really just talking to you. Well, I think that'll be just about enough of all of you, Beaker. You may deactivate. What? What are you... Watch it! Oh dear, he won't deactivate. Ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing to worry about, but please keep your heads down. So, I'm bouncing on people's heads. Beaker, activate the inflatomatic. The what? You... Beaker, hurry.
No, it's my own football team.
Beaker, try the vacuum muppet. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, 050, please, Dr. Armstrong.
Yay! I'm free! Taxi! All right, now I'm getting out of this place.
This way, folks. I'm sorry, but Muppet Lab seems to have been temporarily,
Sucked up!
but, what is that?
Hey, come in. See, it's my new remote control.
Banana cream pie!
Yeah. demonstration, we have Mr.
Yeah, too bad they're gonna spoil it.
La 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 la. Oh, sun shining right above you. Soft breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Dream a little thing of me. Look in my eyes and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you miss me. Oh, I'm alone and blue as can be. No troubles as life goes on, dear. Still craving it. Yes. All right, yes.
No,
But it was going so well.
I will not work with the
But I was just doing 3D. Guess I won't be needing this.
What's that?
That was with a big water skiing finale.
Anyway, what are you doing? You're ruining this film.
anybody all the way out this film. Hey, you got a map down there?
How would it be like? I just got fired and I'm running away.
Terrific! Let's go!
Hey, Bean, what's up?
I'm running away forever!
Oh, great. Could you give me a sandwich?
Any-
Any of you people like anything? What's just going on?
Forever!
Bean?
Speed! Oh, Kermit! Kermit! Sweetums! Great, I'm back! You're fine there.
All right, everybody spread out and look for me. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll continue the show in just a moment, but in the meantime, if you see a rabbit, holler.
Beep! Beep! No one will let me help in the movie. Yeah, but they had moved to Pittsburgh.
What are we doing sticking around here?
Let's burn rubber.
He's Waldo, my 3D friend. We're totally in the movie. Look at me. If you leave, you'll miss all the fireworks.
Right, yeah.
Fireworks? Oh, okay, I'll stay. But I want to help.
Gee, is there anything Bean can do in the final number? Well, okay. Sam, are you about ready? The Muppets proudly present the final demonstration of Muppet Vision 3D.
Stop, everybody! Stop! Hey, not you! Look out!
That blast him out of this silly film. Hey, what are you shooting at me for? What are you doing?
Watch it, will ya?
You can hit me with them. Everybody, we gotta get him.
So, thank you very much for coming to see this demonstration of Muppet Vision technology.
We can't, you old fool. We're holding to the sea.
Illustrating glasses and purple bins outside, and have a wonderful night here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.